Yeah.
Hey guys, good day. It's Saturday here, almost noon hour. We're serving up lunch. We made 180 sandwiches, preparing for that many people. Yesterday we had 179. The day before we had 240. And we're all ready to go. We got a chowder to give out as well. And we're trying to raise $500,000 for the Little River Retreat. We're having a rehabilitation reintegration center. And for whatever reason, David wants me to do a song, and that's what I've been doing lately, and trying to promote my music and things, because that's what I do, I guess. Anyway, it's a song called St. Andrews by the Sea, and it goes like this, without a guitar, without the background vocals, without any effects, but it goes like this. So as a child, it was to be, I lived 16 inland miles from sea, never once slipped side foot on a boat, in a storm sou'wester, yellow raincoat. 4 years in St. Andrews by the sea was the life I had chose for me. Not once had I sailed on her bay. Regrets I can honestly say. Take me sailing across the ocean, sailing across the sea, sailing away, just you and me. So as you change course once more, taking me back to this shore, hope soon I'll return, yes you know, to these waters I missed long ago. Take me sailing across the ocean, sailing across the sea, sailing away, just you and me. I think that's about it. I might have forgot a verse, but a little bit nervous, but I think, yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Shaggy.
Okay, you're welcome, Dave.